Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. For this month, we made the curly Paracord bracelet. Really cool pattern on this one. And does it actually look curly? I guess so. We went with this orange, OD green and gray theme, which I think worked out really well. Although this design looks quite intricate, it wasn't actually too difficult to weave. Did this one knot and loop style, but going forward, I'll be showing how to do these bracelets in both buckles and knot and loop for these videos. Overall, it turned out quite a looker, and I hope all you true weavers will enjoy this one. So anyhow, a huge thank you as always to my current Patreon supporters, and for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. And for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to a wealth of exclusive tutorial videos, as well as our Weavers of Eternity exclusive Discord, where we hang out and share our work. If you've been enjoying the content on this channel and want to support directly, link to my Patreon page is in the video and description box below. I thank you for even considering. And for those already supporting, thank you all so very much.